4. Different birds. A. In each line, you see 3 pictures and their names. Write the correct number of the picture near its name. B. Fill in the blanks given under each group. A. 1. Peacock. 2. Duck. 3. Parrot. 1. The bird which dances when it rains is peacock. B. 1. Cock. 2. Eagle. 3. Pigeon. 2. The bird which catches snakes is eagle. C. 1. Ostrich. 2. Crow. 3. Owl. 3. The bird which cannot see in daytime is owl. 3. Owl. 3. The bird which cannot see in daytime is owl. D. 1. Hen. 2. Woodpecker. 3. Crane. 4. The bird which catches fish near ponds is crane. E. 1. Cuckoo. 2. Sparrow. 3. Penguin. 5. The flightless bird in Antarctica is penguin. C. Fill up the blanks with the suitable words given in the box.